Welcome to Wig Studio One. Today is a wig review on Belle Tress City Piece London in the color Mocha Maple Brown. My name is Christy. I'm also known as Wiggin' with Christy on Instagram and on YouTube. I want to thank Wig Studio One for providing me with the wig for the content, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. So again, like I said, this is part of that city collection, and she has an amazing extended lace front with that lighter color brought to the front for Mocha Maple Brown. I love this color. It is so beautiful. And we have a left monofilament part. This is where I have mine parted. The left monofilament part is about this wide. You do want to be careful not to get too close to those wefting lines where that monofilament ends, because then you could see that, and I could see where that can be confusing if noticing if that's a defect. However, if you get too close to those monofilament part ending where it begins with the wefts, you will notice those lines. So this is where I have mine parted. She lays really great. And what I have found with the City collection is really anywhere you part in that left monofilament part, it's gonna look so natural. Now I love this beautiful layer you get here with London. So let's say you wanted to put this in a ponytail, you can, and to leave these layers down. You could also bring this up into a half up, a full up updo as well, and you can keep some of these layers for face framing layers. So I love that about London. She also has some layers in here. Now keep in mind, this is a heat friendly fiber, so if you want to apply some curls to it, you can. If you want to re-straighten that or keep straightening it, you can. This is heat sensitive, and so what that means is you can use a 260-degree temperature on these heat friendly fibers. Now I always say with the long wigs, you will need heat maintenance on these fibers because they are designed to receive heat for maintenance. So keep that in mind, is if you notice after a few weeks to a month that the fibers just don't feel as soft, that means that it's ready for some heat. You can use a straightener, a curling iron. Now remember, if you apply a curling iron and you maybe put curls in this, when you wash it, it will remember that curl pattern and go to that curl pattern after the wash. So if this was a curly wig and you straightened it, it would remember the straighten. So it always remembers that last heat. So I just wanted to give that reminder if you're new to wigs. This has no permatease, light to medium density, no permatease. She lays so nice and elegant. My favorite part though on her is these layers here, and then I love the natural left monofilament part. That I think is what impresses me personally so much on the City and Luxe collection.
Let's talk about the color Mocha Maple Brown. It's identified as a 627. It's an unrooted but very dynamic mix of dark brown, medium brown, light auburn, and medium strawberry. Now this cap construction has an extended lace front, left monofilament part. We have velvet felt ear tabs, velvet felt extended nape with the Velcro adjusters.
We hope you enjoyed this review of London by Belle Tress, part of their City collection, now available for purchase at wigstudio1.com. So down below is going to be a link to this piece, London, but also the other wigs with Belle Tress and how you can connect with us on all our social medias. You'll also see how you can connect with myself and the other reviewers of the Wig Studio One team. We'd love to connect with you. Have a great day. Bye.